Any lawyer that tells you that they could calculate your settlement when they first meet you, that they can plug numbers into a spreadsheet or something, is a liar. Turn around and walk out of that office, right? There's no one way to do this. A lot of different lawyers have a lot of different formulas. We have a formula that we think is successful, but our formula is successful because it is personal to the client. Everyone's case is totally different. What did you do before you were injured? What can't you do after? How much were your medical bills? What type of medical treatment did you get? What was your job? Were you working at all? How much time did you miss, if any? Were you confined to your house, to your bed? Were you unable to walk? Were you totally disabled? Were you partially disabled? There's a lot of factors. Do you have a scar that's never going to heal? Do you have emotional damage that you're never going to forget? Does it make you nervous to sit in a car after a car accident? Everyone is different. And any lawyer that tells you that they can tell you what your case is worth right off the bat by plugging it into some spreadsheet is a liar. Find a better lawyer. We've had a tremendous amount of success over the course of 45 years. And the success is built on the client and making the case personal to the client and the value of the case, so to speak, because that's really not a great way to even say it. I mean, value as if it's a monetary number. It's someone's life. Someone's out of work. They're not feeding their kids. They can't do the thing that gives them purpose every day. They can't support the ones they love. The dad that goes fishing, that gets hurt, and he's out for 6 months, and he's relying on the community to bring him fish so he can feed his kids. There's more emotional damage there than there is physical damage. The physical injuries are likely to heal at some point, or at least get better. The emotional part of it can wreck you. It's so personal to the person. Our success is built on the person. Our success is built on understanding our clients, knowing us personally. And that's what makes Orlando & Associates and a lot of other small firms like ours more successful than these big conglomerates, because we actually know our clients. You walk into my office, you're going to see the people that you see on the advertisements. You're going to talk to us. You call me, you can get directly through to my line. We only have 4 or 5 attorneys at any given time. We do that on purpose. It's not because we don't want to be billionaires like the huge ones you see all over billboards and TVs. It's because we know that this is a personal industry, and it's personal to you. It's personal to me. I actually take personal pride in making sure my clients are better off than I found them. That gives me a great deal of satisfaction in this industry. And I hope it gives my clients satisfaction too, knowing that their attorney fought for them, not just in verbiage, but actually invested in them, in their life, in their families. That's what this industry is about. These lawyers you see on TV that you're never going to meet, that plug numbers into a spreadsheet or use AI, get out of there. That can't resolve your problems. Only an attorney that understands you and your life and your injuries can really fix the problem that you have. And that's what makes it personal injury.